Gates open, they're up and racing. Gastambide from the outside, running at the center is the stablemate Carriedo, and now diving through the lead. Torres Best by the real winner. Then moving up, Pinakamagaling, and yes, Pogi is running in behind them by about 8 lengths to 9 lengths of the leader. About to pass the last 900. Carriedo, top favorite in command by a length. Real winner is by the rail, moving up on the outside. Torres Best, down in fourth. Gastambide, Pinakamagaling, and yes, Pogi is still bringing up the rear. About to pass the last 600. Carriedo maintaining a leg lead over Torres Best in second. Gastambide moving up on the outside to take third. Down in fourth, real winner Pinakamagaling, and yes, Pogi closing in from last now, using the rails to get closer as they turn for home. Carriedo still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Torres Best is on the outside. Yes, Pogi is by the rail. Gastambide, real winner Pinakamagaling is on the outside with the last 100 meters more to run. Carriedo from the stable of Mr. Hermes Guerra crossing the wire first for race number 4. Second, Torres Best. Then comes Gastambide. Number 5, Pinakamagaling. Yes, Pogi. And real winner comes in last.